Hello, my name is Jason Mercer, the Toronto Real Estate Board's Director of Market Analysis and Service Channels. I'm going to take the next few minutes to review residential sales transactions for the month of November and year-to-date in 2017. So Greater Toronto Area Realtors reported 7,374 transactions through TREB's MLS system in November 2017. This result was up compared to October 2017, bucking the regular seasonal trend. On a year-over-year basis, sales were down by 13.3% compared to November 2016. We've seen an uptick in demand for ownership housing in the GTA this fall, over and above the regular seasonal trend. Similar to the Greater Vancouver experience, the impact of the Ontario Fair Housing Plan, and particularly the foreign buyer tax, may be starting to wane. On top of this, it is also possible that the upcoming changes to mortgage lending guidelines, which come into effect in January, may have prompted some households to speed up their buying decision. The number of new listings entered into TREB's MLS system was up on a year-over-year basis. When we look at the number of sales relative to listings, we get a sense as to the relationship between demand and supply. In November, sales represented about 50% of the number of new listings. In the past, this has represented a balanced market. With that in mind, let's take a closer look at how the current demand-supply relationship impacted price growth. The MLS Home Price Index composite benchmark price was up by 8.4% on a year-over-year basis in November 2017. The average selling price for all home types combined was down by 2% compared to November 2016, almost entirely due to a smaller share of detached and particularly higher-end detached home sales versus last year. On a year-to-date basis, the average selling price was up by 13.4% compared to the same period last year. High-density home types continue to lead the way in terms of price growth, with the average condominium apartment price up by double digits compared to November 2016. Changes in market conditions have not been uniform across market segments. In line with insights from consumer polling undertaken by Ipsos in the spring, we are still seeing sellers' market conditions for townhouses and condominium apartments in many neighborhoods versus more balanced market conditions for detached and semi-detached houses. We'll have more insights to share about consumer intentions for 2018 at the end of January, when TREB will release its third annual Market Year in Review and Outlook report. With this in mind, I look forward to speaking with you again at the beginning of January, when we'll take a look back at 2017 as a whole, a year that was marked by dramatic changes in housing market conditions. Thanks very much, and I wish you all a happy holidays and a happy new year.
Brought to you by GTA Realtors.